everyone, this is example number 3 on the topic formula. Express x in terms of y, c, b and a. That means we make x the subject of this formula. Now first step, we have to square everything here to remove the square root sign. So y squared is equals to b squared x squared over cx squared minus a. Second step, we multiply both sides of our formula by 6x squared minus a. So we'll have y squared times cx squared minus a is equals to b squared x squared. So we multiply this, we'll get y squared cx squared minus y squared a is equals to b squared x squared. Now you collect those with excess on the one side. So I have negative y squared a is equals to, we move this one on our right hand side of the equation. So we have b squared x squared minus y squared cx squared. So this is the same as y squared cx squared minus b squared x squared is equals to y squared a. So we expand this one because x squared is common. So x squared into y squared c minus b squared is equals to y squared a. So if we want to remain with x on one side, we divide both sides by y squared c minus b squared. So we'll get x squared is equals to y squared a over y squared c minus b squared. Now we want to make x the subject of the formula. We want to express it in terms of y, c, b and a. So we get the square root of x since here is x squared. So the root of x is equals to plus or minus root of y squared a over y squared c minus b squared.